So today we're gonna do exercise 8 is modifying the turtle bar chart program so that the bar for any value of 200 or more is filled with red. Values between 100 and 200 are filled with yellow, and bar representing less than 100 are filled with green. So we set up a turtle screen right here. The color is gonna be great, and yeah, so in here, B is gonna be bigger than 200, so it's gonna be red, and on this one, B is gonna be smaller than 100, so it's gonna be green, and and this one is gonna be um, less than 99. It's going to be yellow. So let's run it. As you see, less than 100 is gonna be green. Between 100 and 200 is gonna be between 100 and 199 is gonna be yellow, and 200 and more is gonna be red. So here is the bar, as you can see, and thank you.